Alright folks, welcome back to another Dude Craft Guitar demo video. Check that out. Now you may notice it doesn't have a logo on there. That's because I didn't make this guitar. I did build it, however. I made the neck. This is an existing old stock Longhorn body. And customer sent the saddle piece as well as this piece here, the tailpiece. That's an old Corral 4-string bass tailpiece, and you can see those, I don't know if you can see those 4 screws right there, those bolts. I made a piece to hold the 12 strings and bolted it to the existing Corral tailpiece. So it's pretty cool, man. Yeah. And yeah, so that's what we got going on, and it's pretty cool. It's got some brand new Seymour Dynasonics. All the details are over there, you know, in the video description thing. But you know, thought I'd say it out loud because I'm very proud of how this turned out. Because you know, when you get a box of parts and you get a list of specs of what you're going to make, you never really know. You know, so it's kind of fun. I tried to do the best I could to blend it to make it look like it fit, because even though these were ivory binding on this, you could see it's got the lacquer on it is really, not only was it tinted amber, but I think it's ambered with age, and you know, and so I wanted to get that effect on this. I wanted the age to blend in and make it look like it was all part of it originally, so it's not something that was just, you know, made in 2024 and slapped on the guitar and made to fit. I wanted to make it look like it was made for this guitar, which it was, but also made it look, you know, age specific, but not relic. We didn't want to do that. So anyway, enough of the talking stuff. Let's get you a little sound demo. Now I've just got both the pickups blasted. They are on concentric knobs, which means I could turn the volume down on each one rather than flipping a switch. So it's like kind of like a P-bass situation, but it is 12-string and it is baritones. 28-inch. Right now I've got it tuned to A. Can be tuned up to B or even C. It can also be tuned down to G. I probably wouldn't go any lower than that. The strings would get floppy. You might want to go with bigger strings if you want to do that. Which means, of course, carving your nut. But the way it stands, it's a beautiful instrument. These pickups are just really awesome. Now again, that's both of them blasted. Playing whatever. So let's roll off the neck pickup, and so you can hear the brightness of just the bridge pickup on its own. String without throwing that riff in there. Okay, so here we got now just the neck. And again, blended. Roll some tone off, get some really good jazzy sounds. All right, and of course for you guys who like to hear a little higher gain, Tim, she's all ready, man. Let's get this guitar into the hands of a real musician now. And wow, it was a lot of fun. What can I say? Thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Please click the like and subscribe button and look at all the good things we got coming up. We got a new Mandy being released soon. We got the Mahogany Dream VHP coming out sometime. And then we got a couple more of the Blackheart series. We're calling them Baby Hearts, or at least one of them is, because it's only going to have one pickup. And it's going to be played by Baby Spice of the Spice Pistol. So we got that one coming up. Anyway, come back, check us out, click like and subscribe, share with friends, do all that. Help us build this channel for you. Thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.